class or not? You want to? You all please mute your microphone. You all please mute your microphone, beta. And front camera also. Are you ready? Do you know your computer exam? You have computer exam? Please you all mute your microphone, beta. And front camera also. Mute your front camera, beta. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, beta. Okay. Please you all mute your microphone, beta. Otherwise, you cannot listen my voice and your friends also cannot listen. Okay. Previous class I discussed chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 completed. I hope you all have watched my, you all read this chapter. Have you read this chapter or not? Have you read this chapter? Devoshmita, I am fine, beta. It will inform to you, Amorto. It will inform to you date. Okay? Don't worry about the date. It will inform to you. And listen to me, you all please. You know very well, today I will discuss the book exercise. Okay? Today I will discuss book exercise. Okay? You all please take out your computer book, page number 50, and keep your computer notebook also with you. You all please keep your computer notebook also. Okay? Question answer we will write in our notebook, not in our book. Okay? And now short question answer, fill in true, false, tick the correct, this part matching we will solve in our book. Okay? Chalo, let's start. Fill in the blanks. Page number 50. Open. Have you opened, beta? Oshmi, okay, fine. Let's start now. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Fill in. Number A. Small picture, and nobody will leave the class before taking the attendance. Okay? After the class, I will take the attendance, not now. Representations of application that are present on the desktop are called Devoshmita, you don't have book, beta. If you have book, then this question you will write in your book. If you don't have book, then you can write in your copy. Because I will not write the full sentence. I will write only the answer. Fill in the blanks, true, false, matching. Okay? Small picture. Please mute your microphone. Otherwise, I cannot tell anything to you. Small picture representations of applications that are present on the desktop are called, reply me quickly, are called icons. If you read this chapter, if you done my class, then you can answer me. First one is icons. I-C-O-N-S. Number A, icons. Next, number B. Ankita, what is bookwork? Yes, this one you do in your book. And question answer, this is the exercise. Chapter 5 exercise, okay? Continue. Answer me. Oshmi, very good. Devopriya Mukherjee, answer me, beta. The dash buttons is used to close an application. The dash button is used to close an application. Which button is used to close an application? Which button? The close button is used to close an application. Yes, very good, Oviru. The close button. Number B. Correct answer is close. C-L-O-S-E. The close button is used to close an application. Next number C. Next number C. Okay, very good, all of you. A blinking line present on the screen from where we start typing is called very good, Ovirup, cursor, C-U-R-S-O-R. Very good. Blinking line present on the screen from where we start typing is called cursor. Number C, cursor, C-U-R-S-O-R. Okay, very good, Ovirup. Next, number D. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop. The thin bar Okay, Oshmi, correct. Others answer. Aradha, CUR, cursor, not E. HOR, beta. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the dash. Taskbar, Oviru, very good. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. Okay. TASK, taskbar, BAR, taskbar. Next, match the following. Next, number 2. Number 2, match the following. I will not draw this picture, okay? I hope fill in the blanks completed. Next, number 2. Next, number 2, matching. Match the following. Match the following. Please, student, beta, children, mute your microphone, beta. Number A. Number A, I will not draw. Number B. Number C. And number D. Number C and number D. Can you see the board clearly, beta? Board clear to you or not? Okay. Now right side, number 1, 2, 3 and 4. First is Zoom group. Next one is font group. Number 3, insert group. Insert group. Fourth one is clipboard group. Clipboard group. Okay, and in this picture, number A, there is Calibri 11 and bold, italic, underline. These all are in under of the font group. So, number A, 2. Number A, match with 2. Number A, 2. Number A, 2. Okay. Next is, there is picture, paint, drawing, data and time and insert object. These all in under of the insert group. Number 3. Number 3, B. Number 3, write down B. And there is paste, cut, copy. Paste, cut, copy. These all are in under of the clipboard group. Number 4, C. Number 4, she. Number 4, C. And number D, zoom, zoom in, zoom out, 100%. These all are in zoom group. Zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. These all are in under of the zoom group. This is number D. Number 1, D. Okay, right side you all write down number 1, D, 2, A, 3, B, 4, C. Clear, beta? Do you have any doubt, any questions, any queries? Understood? Okay, fine. Now, you all please take out your computer notebook. Computer notebook. This part, question answer, very short answer questions. First we will solve very short answer questions. Okay, take out your notebook and let's start writing. Name the 3 control buttons on a Wattpad window. Number 1. This is very short. Questions. Okay. Number A. Question number 1. Name the First write down the question, then answer. Name the 3 control buttons. Name the 3 control buttons on a Wattpad window. Can you tell me the 3 button name? Can you tell me the name of these 3 button? No one? Okay. Can you tell me? Okay, now write down the answer. Minimize button, maximize and close. Write down. Minimize, M-I-N-I-M-I-Z-E. Minimize button. Next, maximize, M-A-X-I-M-I-Z-E. Maximize or restore button or restore button. And next is number A, B and C. Next one is close button. C-L-O-S-E, close button. B-U-T-T-O-N. Minimize button, maximize or restore button. And number C is close button. Next number, question number 2. Next question, question number 2. How many tabs are present in Wattpad? How many tabs are present? Please, all of you, beta, mute your microphone, beta. How many tabs are present in Wattpad? How many tabs? Can you tell me how many tabs are present in the Wattpad? 2 tabs. Very good, Roshmi. 2 tabs. These are Home tab and View tab. 2 tabs. And then write down Home tab and View tab. Okay, Home tab and View tab. 2 tabs. Okay. Home tab and View tab. Next, can I rub the board, beta? I have no spaces. I have to rub the board for the next question. Which tool should you use to minimize what happened? Completed or not? Question number 1 completed, beta? I will rub 1 first. Still, question number 1 incomplete. I will not rub 2, beta. Question number 1 I want to rub first. First, do it first, beta. Complete it first. Done, everybody? Can I rub question number 1, beta? I want to rub 1 first and then I will rub question number 2. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. First write down the question. Which tool should you use? Which tool should you use? Should you use to minimize a Wattpad window? Which tool should you use to minimize a Wattpad window? Which tool should we use to minimize a Wattpad window? We should use minimize tool. Write down the answer, only minimize tool. Write down the answer. Minimize. M-I-N-I-M-I-Z-E. Minimize. Okay, here is mentioned minimize is a button. Which tool should we use to minimize? Yes, minimize tool. Yes, yes, write down. Here is a no tool to minimize. Write down minimize, minimize button. Minimize. Minimize button. Next question, question number 4. Next question number 4. Next question number 4. Devapriya completed beta. Next, in which tab the paragraph group present in Wattpad? In which tab? In which tab is the paragraph group present in Wattpad? In which tab the paragraph group present in Wattpad? Paragraph group present in which tab beta? Reply me quickly. Paragraph group in which tab? It is in under of the home tab. Under of the home tab there is paragraph group is present. Under of the home tab there is paragraph group, font group and clipboard group, insert group and editing group. All the 5 groups are present in under of the home tab. Okay. So write down home tab. H-O-M-E-T-A-B, home tab. Okay. Completed. Now question number 4, short answer question. This part completed beta? Have you completed this part? Next. Short answer questions. Okay. Next, short answer questions. Short answer. Short answer questions. Question number 1. Define task bar. What is called task bar? Define task bar means what is called task bar. Can you tell me? Define task bar. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called task bar. Define means what do you mean by what is called? Okay. Define task bar. Write down the answer. The thin bar at the bottom of the window. The thin bar. The thin bar at the bottom. At the bottom of the desktop. At the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. Is called the taskbar. Okay, done. Next question number 2. Define taskbar. First one, the thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. Next question. Question number 2. What is a desktop? What is a desktop? What is a desktop? What is desktop? Write down. Once the computer system is switched on, once the computer system is switched on, we will see the first screen. The first screen, which is known as the desktop. Once the computer system is switched on, we will see the first screen, which is known as the desktop. Write down, beta. Next 2 questions are there. Write the step to save a. Okay, maybe. Okay, these 2 question answer complete. Now I will take your attendance. Before, if I get the time, we will complete the next 2 questions. Yes, beta. Ovirup Banerjee. Ovirup Banerjee, Amartya Niyogi, present. Aritra Ghosh. And Arpon Das and Oshmi Pal. Next is Oshmit Mondol. Next is Debopriya Mukherjee. Next, Deboshmita Majhi. Next, Indakshi Kritika. Indakshi Sen, Kritika Pal. How many? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, fine. Done, beta? Okay, I have taken your attendance, beta. Aritra, Oshmi, Debopriya, Kritika, Deboshmita, Indakshi. I have taken your attendance. I know that. I have seen how many who are joined the class. Okay? Hey, K, Onkita, your name is not here. Onkita, okay. Onkita, what happened? What is going on? Onkita. Okay, for today this much. Next class I will discuss. The next part of the exercise. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a